Guys, Eddie from Harlembling. This is what a lot of you have been waiting for, and this is why I've been telling you guys all year to hit the subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you might miss out on these great deals. A lot of you have messaged me why this year we did not have a lot of Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, so forth and so on. And I made a video about this, but in a nutshell, our jewelry is on sale 365 days a year. If you compare my prices to those of other websites, you will see that we sell higher quality for 1/2 to 1/3 of the price. And the reason for that is because we're direct manufacturers. Everything you see we have in stock. We do not have a showroom. We do not have overhead costs. So we're really able to bring you wholesale items to your door. For some of you, that answer is not good enough. We're in such a society that everybody wants more and cheaper. I'm not going to sacrifice quality, but I will do it one more time and give you guys a deal that you cannot refuse. And we'll talk about that in just a minute. The reason why you notice prices going up is gold is hitting an all-time high, over $2,000 an ounce. So everything that we have that's gold vermeil, the costs have been going up steadily, and in the last month are really skyrocketing. Silver is starting to hit 10-20-year highs again. Moissanite, I was the first one to tell you guys that Moissanite prices will go up. They have almost doubled this year alone. And that's just in the beginning. But what I'm going to do for you guys, until December 15th, buy 2, get 1 free on the entire website. Anything that you see, you buy 2 items, you get 1 free. You can mix and match. So you could buy a pendant, a chain, and another chain, a watch, a ring. Buy 2, get 1 free, except for solid gold. I cannot do solid gold because the prices are really below wholesale if you check the price per gram. Buy 2, get 1 free. Code is buy 2, get 1. Buy 2, get 1. Any items except for daily deals, those are already 40-50% off, and we'll be adding more items. Get yourself holiday gifts. Buy 2, get 1 free. Get 3 items, you don't pay for 1. Till December 15th, check us out, harlembling.com. Best quality, best jewelry, best prices. Until next time, Eddie.